So we're working on here in the shop today. It's a 01 or an 02 Honda Foreman 450. It's been sitting for about 7-8 years, so the gas is dead. So what we're going to do is take apart the carburetor, drain the gas, and see if we can make it fire up. So we took the gas tank off, and while we got the gas tank off, I'm gonna put a spark plug in this thing. So we have the carburetor off here. It's pretty green looking inside. We're going to take it apart, we're going to clean it up, and the biggest thing that makes these things run like crap is the needle valve. So we're going to have to get the float out, clean it up, get the needle valve out, get the jets out, clean it up and put it back together. Now this is where your problem always comes from after a bike sitting. This is the needle valve, and you can see it's quite green, so we're going to take this apart, let it soak, and clean everything up and put it back together. So we're putting it back together. We put the jets in. All the jets are back in. All the jets are back in. Needle valve's cleaned up. The fuel bowl, just finishing cleaning that up. Pretty dirty. A lot of dirt. So we need to get all this cleaned up. We're going to put an inline fuel filter in it so that it, because if it's green in here, it's green in the tank. So we're going to have to filter this. All right. I'd like to take a minute. Thank you 6 or 7 people that watch these videos. Just to say thanks for watching, and it's not all going to be about snow blowers and ATVs and rocker panels, and we're just dealing with the winter blues. So anyways, thanks for watching, and till the next time, drive fast.